got the latch system done for the duster. And the way it works is there's a little handle down here. When you pivot that little handle back, it releases a mechanism inside. It's just nothing more than a latching system. It brings a brass lever down and locks onto the interior canopy handle. So to pick up the canopy, basically all you do is pull this down, pick the canopy up, tilt it up, and then it has the lanyard. That's not permanent, obviously, but that's how it works. And then to close it, same thing. Pull that down before the hatch closes. Pull it back, set it in place. Trying to do this one hand. There we go. And it's latched. That's it.